And the video of Onyinye. Oh, I remember he did inside compound. He can't come up from inside compound. Conde waka from compound. That can compound. That face me and slap you. You said not remember the video.
Compound.
Yes, now. Nice room.
Are you sure it's the video of
Now the video now you can't enter road. Can't enter taxi. He didn't have the babe taxi. You they pursue him. I been a host. No,
okay, it was a shopping complex.
No, not shopping complex. Maybe not me they compound. Maybe they compound. And they shame like that.
It was a shopping.
Anyway, now, quick one. Make I ask you, Obi-Wan. Yeah. No doubt, Okay, our phone numbers go down to TV. Make you begin call us. For those of you who want to talk to Obi-Wan, fans of Obiora Obi-Wan, make you begin call us. Now, no doubt, to be very, very as in you're singing. In fact, would they talk that day for radio? Me and you would they talk? Say, if how many artists when it be say? If they say, as our president, Baba never choose, and those will be ministers yet. If they say, may they choose artists, we go be ministers, where they sing songs, we not get foul things for inside them. How many of our artists will be minister? The person who will choose, Timi Dakolo, go be minister because he not get foul language for his song. Yeah. Person like Bez, okay, he go be minister. Person like Kobams, okay, Asha, okay, and person like you. Because most of the songs where they do, no, shake your bum bum, get naked, climb on top of the bed, show me your gymnastic. Anyway, from Enugu, good evening, Biko.
Oh yeah, good evening.
Are you with me, Father?
I'm with you, okay.
How is your ministry?
Thank God.
You want to talk to Obi-Wan?
I want to talk to the...
In they hear you, Obi-Wan. Your TV, they're too loud, though.
I'm with you.
Ehonan. Your TV is too loud.
Okay.
You're looking for my trouble now.
I don't use them now.
I'm going to talk to Obi-Wan.
Okay. Yeah.
Favor.
Very, very nice.
Okay, thank you. You like it. Thank you.
I like your performance. Yeah.
Thank you. How you doing?
I do good.
How is Enugu? I grew up in Enugu.
Which side of Enugu?
I lived at Nwodo Close for about 14 years of my life, or more, Seth. No, I lived there for quite... I was born in Enugu, I grew up in Enugu.
Why you not come to Enugu go look for wife? Now Lagos, you can't look for wife.
I came to Lagos in 2002.
2002?
I come youth service.
From youth service, now you change your mind, sit down here.
And youth service carry me.
But wait.
If I ask you where you come from now, you where they talk this.
Me, I come from Enugu now. Enugu, Nkanu East. Owaka East, Hugwe, Peace.
Repping for the hood.
That's where I'm from. I'm in Owaka.
Wow. I don't know. My mother is from your side.
Me. My father and I come from Enugu. My mama now from Okigwe.
Okay.
So you see, I mean half caste, you know what I mean? That is how we roll. Peace, like egg roll. Now, Obi-Wan, how so far for your journey of music? How long you done do music for people who don't understand?
Okay, that's a good question because now this year make my 10th year professional music career.
10th year professionally?
Yes.
More answer this person from Warri. Hello, good evening. Ogaga.
Yeah, Oganedo, I greet you.
Are you with me?
I greet you righteously.
In fact, I receive it righteously. I inhale it righteously. You want to talk to Obi-Wan?
Yeah, so Oga Easy Beat, I greet you.
Yes, boss. Hey, Baba.
Yeah, Oga Obi-Wan.
Yeah.
I greet you overtly as in, you don't say why I see your face, why I even hear your music. As I see you now, I just feel like, my man.
We thank the Lord. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where we go get your Gold Water album now? The Gold Water album.
Gold Water album. Ask the person where they sell CD for your area. Just ask them, make it get them for you. You go get them from when they get CD, whether they go Alaba or anywhere when they go, you go get them.
Because I never, for the CD stores, the website they enter, and I never really come across them like that. You understand?
Okay, ask them. They will get it across to you. You know, it's amazing because the album is almost 2 years, but it's now that
I go check them out.
Online.
Yes, and then if you can contact me straight on Facebook, Obiora Obi-Wan. Just search for Obiora Obi-Wan on Facebook and Twitter at Obiora Obi-Wan.
Okay, I'll go search for you. More power to your elbow,
Thank you, man. Power. Thanks for encouraging me. God bless.
Hello, good evening. Ifeanyi.
Hello?
If I buy now, how is you?
Let no we.
Are you with me?
Can I with the
Neck and a quange.
Get good my friend.
Nah, Pasaka Passato.
Hey, do answer.
Nah, my fine buying. You want to talk to Obi-Wan?
Nah, I can't hear Obi-Wan, not the go.
He did hear you.
If I keke me.
Obi-Wan.
Keke me.
Now the bar, my brother.
Waiting there up on your side.
Now, they're fine. I think I hear from you, don't you?
Now so we do.
Now, wow.
We do.
Want to look more pressure now than before.
He wiped the cook off and salad with for him. And I'm telling you.
I know get any additional thing to say to that.
Oh, thank God.
Ifeanyi, I'm going to thank you very much, Ifeanyi.
I have to move now. Thank God.
Permanent site.
Permanent site,
Okay,
exactly.
thank God,
Exactly. This they do.
Ifeanyi, I'm going to thank you. Ifeanyi, make sure say eat next food.
I miss mood begin our Watopia.
It's again.
I miss mood begin our Watopia.
Mood.
Na radio. Yes.
Hey.
News.
Nah, don't want it tomorrow here, man.
Nah, they didn't go mad.
Now, bye. Sakwa who eat before you sleep and bath well.
I'll do that. Bye.
Bye, peace. Now, before we ask Obi-Wan the project we in get things with him say, of course, new single day out.
Yes.
And new single day out and other ones because these songs will now they ask this album they're like 2 years.
Well, by November it's a year and a half. But the thing though, they always happen to my music. Even when Onyinye come out, when the song begin pick up, no be when I release it.
When you release it.
Till it come big, reach very. Even when Obimo come out, no be when I release them. Now when I don't, that time. So I dey even prepare for new album now. But now when people they see Hail My King, they see the album now. So I think I don't accept them. Say my music.
No, but this time it go dey different too.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Anyway, make we watch one video from Obi-Wan. I want to come back again. We'll go ask him.
It will be different. You're right.
Okay, from Malaysia. Good evening.
Good evening.
Cindy baby.
Little baby.
Cindy honey. Let me lick your ear. Set your ear. Make I lick him.
Good evening.
Good evening. You want to talk to Obi-Wan?
Yeah, I want to talk to all of you now, one by one.
Oh, yeah, start.
From Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan,
Hi, good evening.
Simbi, how you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Great. What's happening in Malaysia?
Like, nothing much is happening, though. Just here, you guys kept me up till this hour, like night show. And finally, they brought you today.
Wow.
So excited.
Wow. I get one question for you. Now, they speak Pidgin from Malaysia.
Of course, we speak Pidgin, though. We've colonized everybody here. Everybody now know how far.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, that's good.
I'm with you.
Oh, yeah, Simbi. I sure say you go ask where you go get Obi-Wan songs, Abi.
Of course, Oscar.
Oscar, in fact, you're a good student. I see not talk. Follow him for Twitter at
Obiora Obi-Wan.
Obiora Obi-Wan because you don't get anybody who go feedback from Malaysia there, except in their own version.
You know, but even in Malaysia, you can buy on iTunes. Okay, all the songs are on
iTunes.
Go iTunes. Now, it seems you're a sexy girl. I see your voice alone. On a boom.
They do. It's a date. I don't forget to say hi to you.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine, Jared.
Are you looking cute this evening, though?
Oh,
Simbi, God will judge you.
You are looking fantastic.
I don't know say DJ is fit shy.
Simbi, thank you for calling. Good night.
All right, good night. Yeah.
Okay, we will watch one video from Obi-Wan. When we come back, we'll continue to ask him 1 or 2 questions, take few calls before we will come up for inside studio. When they come back, still on top of the night show with Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.